Hello, my Workday Playdate peeps. Welcome to your weekly snack, the bite-sized, brain-boosting, buzzworthy dose of career magic that pairs perfectly with your morning matcha or your afternoon slump walk. I'm Erin, keynote speaker, podcast host, best-selling author, and your professional hype woman. And today's episode is giving no more sweaty palms when you talk to your boss. We're making managing up feel natural, not cringy. Now, before we get into today's episode, I just want to let you know that this will be the final snack for a while. We've been snacking. We've been getting full over here on the team podcast, Improve It, Workday Playdate, and we're going to take a break for a little while on this snacks. If you want more snacks, reach out to us. Let us know. If you want us to incorporate affirmations and the journal prompts into our full-length shows, let us know. You can put a note in the comments on a review on iTunes. You can reach out to me directly at info@learntoimproveit.com. But we are going to retire snacks for a while. So let's get back into today's episode. If the words manage up make you want to hide under your desk or pretend you're a plant in the corner of a Zoom call, you're in the right place. Let's snack, shall we? So let's paint the picture. You get a Slack message from your boss. Hey, let's chat later. No emoji, no punctuation, just chaos. You spiral. Are you getting fired? Did you forget something? Did they finally notice you've been unmuting on Zoom just to cough and mute again? Welcome to the very real challenge of managing up, the art of building a strong, clear human relationship with the person who signs off on your PTO. And I know it feels cringy because we've been taught to either fear authority or avoid it. But here's the truth bomb. According to Gallup, 70% of team engagement hinges on the manager alone. And only 30% of early career professionals feel confident communicating with their boss. That means most of us are just out here just guessing what our boss wants, like it's a corporate charade. We got to fix that. So today, we're doing it improv style. So here comes your out-of-the-box, brand new improv trick for managing up like a boss with your boss. It is called the status shift. So in improv, every scene has a status dynamic. Somebody's playing high status, in charge, confident, grounded, and somebody's low status. They're nervous, they're uncertain, or they're trying to gain approval. The trick is you can shift it and it completely changes the vibe. So instead of approaching your manager like a stressed out squirrel asking for nuts, play the grounded scene partner. Now here's how. You can sit up straight when you speak. You can take a beat before responding. Don't rush it. You can lead with solutions, not just problems. And you can ask curious, open-ended questions like, I love your feedback on this direction. Does it align with your priorities? You're not pretending to know everything. You're just bringing confident energy into the room. And that shift builds trust. It signals, I've got this, and I value your insight. Boom! Cringe-free managing up. So, if you are loving today's episode and thinking, okay, this is giving me life, then friend, you have to tune into this Wednesday's episode 301. It's called Real Talk, How to Stop Guessing What Your Boss Wants and Start Managing Up with Confidence with the one and only Melody Wilding. She's a human behavior expert, a professor, a therapist turned career coach, and author of Managing Up. This convo will make you laugh, take notes, and feel wildly seen. Seriously, you don't want to miss this. Now, this little snack today is brought to you by Improve It and our high-energy, highly interactive workshop, Career 101. This workshop is like a career TED Talk meet comedy show, and if they had a baby and raised it with kindness and confidence, this would be the workshop for you. It's perfect for interns, new grads, or anybody starting out. Career 101 is the boost your team didn't know they needed. It is available for up to 100 people in person or virtually for up to 50 peeps. And in this workshop, we teach the ultimate workplace equation: positivity plus perseverance equals possibilities. Your people will learn how to stay motivated, how to build real relationships like managing up, and how to actually enjoy the journey. So ditch the boring onboarding and let's improve it. You can learn more at www.learntoimproveit.com. That's learntoimproveit.com. Now let's take a deep breath together. Inhale confidence. Exhale awkwardness. Now repeat after me your affirmations for the week. I am capable of building strong, respectful relationships with my leaders. I am capable of building strong, respectful relationships with my leaders. I communicate with confidence and clarity. I communicate with confidence and clarity. I bring value to every room I enter, even when I don't have all the answers. I bring value to every room I enter, even when I don't have all the answers. I manage up with heart, humor, and authenticity. I manage up with heart, humor, and authenticity. You're doing amazing. Let's keep going. So here are your journal prompts. Take these to your journal, your notes app, or your next coffee chat with yourself. Number 1, what part of communicating with my manager feels most challenging and why? What part of communicating with my manager feels most challenging and why? Number 2, what's one small way I can show leadership energy this week? What's one small way I can show leadership energy this week? And number 3, if I stopped fearing my boss's opinion, what would I say or ask? If I stopped fearing my boss's opinion, what would I say or ask? Give yourself permission to answer honestly. That's where the magic starts, my peeps. So, my peeps, your snack is served, your final snack for a while. You now know how to play the status shift, how to approach your boss with confidence, and how to manage up without the cringe. And remember, managing up isn't about being manipulative. It's about building a mutual relationship. It's leadership from where you are. So walk tall, speak clearly, and remember, you're not just working, you are leading. Tune in Wednesday for episode 301 with Melody Wilding. It's juicy, it's empowering, and it's going to help you level up in the best way. Until then, keep saying yes and to your career. I'll see you soon.